MeghalayaPost.news.
Ban pendunai kijingja accident ni kijingja masngausi kabala jujaman kapor tang na kada kajing penkenyan ki driver jong baro ki jat kali pulit kari boy mentakasngi kila Krad Naphang Daiñ Kuna ki kali penkenyan ha kabala penlong ya kajing kenran talasi kali Naduh Byrnihat Sha Jorabat ha kani kajing lek kenran talasi ki kali penkenyan la yalam hi daw senior superintendent of police kari boy vs rathor bat additional superintendent of police uba orville masar lambat ki ki he officer bat ki pulit nari boy kumban supen kenmau Naduh bagi pulit kari boy kila simkhia bante la kam ya ki kali ba penkenyan dak Daiñ Kuna Naphang kat kum ki kendon jongkaan ngila ban sakhi ba kajingjia ba sngosi ne ki accident kali hari boy kila dunabha bat bon ru ki driver kila sedang ban burenti ya ki kendon anya kali kabla longkum kajing hikai ne kajing pen sngotu ba kaan kanoma yano yano la da ki penken ya ki kendon anya kali ya kani kajing kenran ne talasi ya ki kali ki ba penkenyan Naduh kajing di buan u driver kajing pen yang kulmar ki kali ha ka surok ba kajing bomdeng helmet ne seat belt kajing pen hairstyle iki kali bat kajing bom don kod don selala sedang mentakasngi Naduh kopor live jan miet kata Naduh Byrnihat Sha Jorabat harengkat kajing don lang kita ki he pulit officer ketenat pulit narboy lasak hiru da kajing kenra Naphang ki kali bun ki Trok bat kiwei ki kali ba Ïeng Beaiñ ha surong bat ki ba penkenyan kila Phet Krad na kate ka surok ba bat na kalyang ki bor pulit kari boy ru ha kajing elam uteu he pulit kila Daiñ Kuna Naphang ki kali ba penkenyan klem damap setia kabalong kum kajing ajing kai ba ki ha ban bor enti ki kendon jongkaan ha banya ki kali pai ba
गाड़ी में भेजना पड़ा यार ट्रक वाला जल्दी निकलो चलो आगे चलो काम मशीन नहीं है गाड़ी स्टार्ट करो सोनापुर रखो कौन है कितना उम्र है उसका डॉक्टर का स्लिप है ठीक है जाओ फार्मेसी में हो गया वाला हेलमेट है सुंदर फोटो लेगा आपका मेघालय से बाहर निकल जल्दी बाहर निकल फोन करो सोनापुर रास्ता रखो अभी बैलून तुम्हारा फाड़ देते हैं हम चलो इसका भी चलान बाकी इसका चलान काटो तो चलो इसको चलान काटो हम लोग का क्या है इसका ड्राइवर इसका ड्राइवर यहाँ भी स्कूल है इसका हेलमेट आपका कौन है आपका? मेरा भाई है। हमारा भाई है ट्यूशन छोड़ने के। अगर कुछ होगा तुम तो बच जाओगे, ये नहीं बचेगा। तो तकलीफ होगा। ठीक है, दिस इज योर फेवरेट कलर ना? कल स्कूल है? छुट्टी है। मंडे जाना है ना? जाना है। मंडे को सुबह स्कूल में इसको लेके जाना, ठीक है? बोल दो आगे से यहाँ पास नहीं करेगा।
A series of traffic enforcement drives which we are doing since last 2-3 weeks. Today we selected the Byrnihat to Jorabat sector of NH6, in which a common complaint is there from all and sundry in Meghalaya, including general public, the bureaucracy, the police officers, the political executive. Everyone says and points out that because these trucks are illegally parked on the highway and they are blocking almost more than half of one lane of the highway, a lot of vehicles get stuck. The road is free in the backside and in the front, but this small stretch of roughly 5 to 7 kilometers, this gets blocked and choked because of these illegally parked trucks. The main reason is there is a no entry being enforced in Guwahati since morning till evening, and that is the reason why trucks are parked here. So we have found a temporary solution. We are telling these trucks to move to Sonapur road because there is no much traffic, no much population in that road. So they can take a turn below the Jorabat flyover and park their vehicles in the Sonapur side of National Highway. So this will relieve us from congestion on Meghalaya side and remove the bottleneck. Along with the illegal truck parking, we were also checking for the cases of people not wearing helmets and not wearing seat belts, drunken driving and all. So we are still continuing this. We managed to remove almost 70% of the trucks which were parked there. Some trucks were broken, they were getting repaired, so we could not remove them. But again, we'll send our patrolling teams every roughly 1 hour, 2 hour to check. And this drive will continue for next 5 to 6 days, at least minimum 4-5 times a day by combined teams of various units of Ribhoi police. And it is our request also and a direction also, especially to the HMV drivers. Do not park on national highways between the two white lines which you see. The line has to be kept free for normal traffic. When you are driving your vehicles, many drivers we see they are blocking the overtaking lane, the right lane, which is absolutely wrong and illegal. So drive on the left lane, drive slowly, don't overspeed, and do not park your vehicles between those white lines. We'll be very harsh, very severe, will not listen to any excuse. If we find your truck being parked between those white lines, we will issue challan. First challan will be a smaller amount, subsequent challans will be bigger amounts as per law. Every subsequent offense, the fine amount goes up. So we don't want to harass you, we don't want to cause you financial loss, but if you don't follow the traffic rules, we have no option left, because ultimately life takes precedence over everything else. Decline, definite decline, a steep decline in the number of accidents which have been reported. Minor accidents have been reported, but not many fatal accidents. So that gives us hope and the drive to work even harder. At the same time, we have observed that some motor garages are there. When they repair the vehicles again occupy a part of the national highway. That is again wrong, illegal. We warn these garage owners also. If you don't have parking space, don't open your garage on the highway. You can repair vehicle if you have parking space or any space which is not obstructing the normal traffic flow. So if you block our highways, we will again fine you to the extent that we can go and shut down your shops also, because this is creating nuisance. So we'll invoke our magisterial powers and we'll shut down those shops if they don't relent. Because everyone is aware, it's a matter of common knowledge, general public knows. Many times ambulances get stuck, uh, the army convoys get stuck, the VIP movement gets affected because of these illegally parked vehicles. Some are parking on their own sweet will. Today we found somewhere cooking their meal on right on in the middle of highway. So tomorrow maybe they can put a bed and sleep there. You never know. So we have to be proactive, and we sympathize with them. Truck drivers have a very tough life. We sympathize with them, but at the same time, please be responsible, because one wrong parking can lead to an accident and an innocent life will be lost. No one will like it.
MeghalayaPost.news